What is up, YouTube? We are back with another video. So with this video, I pulled the motor out the right hand drive. Wanted to do get rid of the black, got something else coming out. So I already have the bay mostly sanded. I just gotta focus on like this spot and like that spot back there. Basically doing a full tuck on the headlight harness. This side's already going to be tucked, going to be coming out through here. Going to run it all the way up and across, and then this side's going to be tucked too. Just got to take off the fuse box is getting relocated underneath the dash. Got to get all this fed through. Hopefully I don't got to pull the dash, because I don't want to pull no dash. So hopefully I can get it through. Hopefully. If not, pull the dash out. Nothing biggie. But I want this harness ran through the side right here, all the way up. Probably extend the main harness for the engine. Gonna extend that out so it's tucked. Might run it underneath through the frame right here. I don't know yet. Gotta see what I'm doing with that. But it's gonna come out the same spot. Need to take this grommet off, get that done. But slowly but surely. Wanted to do a brake line tuck, but I don't think I'm gonna end up doing that. I think I'm gonna just adjust the angles and try putting it down lower towards the subframe, maybe. But this is one of the motors that I have, just one. Gonna be throwing that in soon. Once the base painted, that'll be going in full swap. B16A with the GSR trans. So about 30-40 minutes into it. Hey. Engine harness. Rest of the harness. Got it running out. Come out. So extend all this shit. Fall short. Probably gonna have about like a foot or two. Get it to where it's supposed to be. Maybe more, so it could be tucked more. But yep. That's just that side. Now I gotta come over here when I'm done extending. Extend this whole side too. So it's gonna be fun. So doing the driver's side headlight harness now, extending the wires. Did the passenger side, showing the passenger. Oh. Got all that done. So yeah, let's see how long this takes. That took about like 2.5 hours. So this one, zoom in on that. How bad this harness is. So stay tuned. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Ah, this is what takes the longest. Taking all this tape off. Bring the camera over here. Let's show you. Harness has been tampered. Look at all the exposed wire. Look at that. So kind of glad I'm doing this. I don't know what the hell was going on here. So yeah, let's make this look nice somewhat. We ghetto, so we don't do it nice. So we doing the last bit of sanding, even though it ain't a little bit of sanding. We got so much more to do. Just got the master out for the clutch. Gotta do a lot of sanding right there. Some sanding right there. Some sanding back here. Some more sanding down there. So yeah, could be a long ass night. back again next morning. Last night took too long. I didn't even want to drop the subframe, so basically just wrapped the whole car. And yeah, I'm gonna get my dad out here to paint it. So this is the color that we are gonna be doing. Something. Champion white. So yeah, I'll get some B-roll of my dad spraying it, and then we'll see how it looks when it's done. So my dad painted the bay. Just got to spray the clear, but I think I'm in the video here. I didn't want to do a real long video, so this is probably gonna be a shorter video just of the spray. And then I was gonna do it with me putting the motor in, but I'll make that another video. So that's what it looks like now. I don't have no clear on it, but he'll spray the clear probably tomorrow. But that's what it looks like. Championship white. When the clear goes on, it's gonna look way better. So if you like the content, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Try and do this shit, but a lot of shit comes up. But finally got the bay painted. It's been like a month now since the car's been on jack stands, and to be honest, I'm trying to get it off the jack stand, so I'm trying to drive it before it actually starts getting cold and it starts snowing out here. I'm not ready for that, because once it starts snowing, the car is going to be in the garage 24/7. So next video will be the motor going in, and then hopefully it runs. If it don't run, we're going to throw a GSR in it, so one of them. But for now, little B16A is going to be going in it.